BunBunTv.
Hello, BunBun kids! Are you ready to learn the English alphabet with me? Today, we'll discover letters from A to Z, and each letter has a fun example. Let's start. A is for airplane. B is for ball. C is for cow. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for goat. H is for horse. I is for ice cream. J is for jacket. K is for kite. L is for ladybug. M is for monkey. N is for numbers. O is for ocean. P is for panda. Q is for queen. R is for rocket. S is for snake. T is for train. U is for umbrella. V is for van. W is for worm. X is for xylophone. Y is for yacht. Z is for zebra. Great job, kids! You learned the English alphabets from A to Z. You are amazing learners. Don't forget to practice every day. See you next time for more fun learning. Bye-bye!